Hello everyone and welcome back to my little channel. I am Angel and today we are going to make mantra bracelets. What is mantra bracelets? It's not really something, but I'm inventing it right now on the spot. Not really inventing it, but you know what I mean. I've seen that it's a type of bracelets, but it's not what I'm gonna make. Today we are gonna use letter pearls and normal pearls, and we are going to make a little or small bracelets with mantras on it, like Waheguru, Adgure Name, Ong Namo, Gurudev Namo, you know, all of those. If you practice kundalini yoga, you might be familiar with those. So I actually found out in the last seconds that I don't have really that many like elastic threads. So wait, is this big enough? Yeah, I have small wrists, so I don't really need like that big anyways, but I have misplaced my thread for it, but it's okay. This is big enough. I just have to be very wary. So the first one that I'm gonna make is Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Thinking, yeah, no, actually I want Adgure Name because that's a protection and I want to be divinely protected. I have everything like Google open behind you I mean, because I don't want to say something wrong, so I'm going to read what Adgure Name, you know, the Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudev Name. It means, okay, this is the Mangala Charn mantra and is chanted for protection. It surrounds the magnetic field with protective light and means I bow to the primal guru, guiding consciousness who takes us to God realization. I bow to wisdom through the ages. I bow to the true wisdom. I bow to the great unseen wisdom. Now, I'm not going to do the whole Adgure Name mantra, but just Adgure Name. So, because it's for, that one is for the protective light. Yeah. So, I'm going to take this. Wait, do I have the... do I have the... Yeah, I do. The pearls. Add, and then Gurai. Gu, Adgure. Gu, Gu. I think I'm only making this bracelet today. Adgu that I can hear my cat scratching the door. Adgure. And then Name. Adgure Name, Adgure Name, Sadgure Name, Sri Gurudev Name. Name. I don't know if there's an N. No. Hello, wake up, girl. Name. If there's an H. Oh wait, one moment, let me Google. I'm sorry, this is very unprofessional of me, who's not a professional. Adgure Name. It's with two A's. Okay. And it's with an H. So, okay, well, the first place was wrong. So we're gonna put an extra A at the beginning. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name. I'm making this today because I've been sick this week and I don't want to make the other people in my yoga class, kundalini yoga class, sick. So I'm home instead. So, yeah. So we're gonna take your threads. I conveniently broke my nail here, so it's easier to do things. So yeah, deal with it. I'm thinking, because we have these beautiful little pearls. Wait, where's the... Here it is. I'm thinking the theme, like this one is gorgeous. It's like, ooh, it's gorgeous. I think the entire bracelet is gonna be that because it's so gorgeous. Go to Jita. So What am I gonna do? I'm so like stressed today. Shouldn't be. Okay, so we can talk about kundalini. Hi, I'm Angel. I practice kundalini yoga. Where I live, there's only one place where they teach kundalini yoga, and it's once a week. My teacher is amazing. I like her a lot, but I feel like I haven't connected to her on a like deeper level. So I'm actually going to quit going there because I don't know. I don't feel like it feels good to go there, you know. That's not what this is about, but it's just I don't like doesn't do anything to me. And I've practiced a lot of kundalini yoga, and the previous teachers that I had in where I'm from used to be amazing, and I instantly connected. And you know, when we would do those meditations, any meditation, I would feel like I connected with an inner part of myself. But now I can't do that, and it's so weird. And I know that I have a very stressful lifestyle right now, and that maybe that's kind of blocking like a little bit for me. Yeah, I'm not connecting with myself at all. I've been very tired lately, and last week I actually fell asleep during kundalini, during the gong bath, because my teacher does gong baths every week. And yeah, I haven't connected. I feel it's kind of sad, you know, when you realize that your teacher is I don't know, you don't have this connection. And I think it's very important, at least for me, that when you have a teacher, you should have this like weird connection, you know? Not like weird, but you know what I mean, like a little bit of connection. I just feel like she almost doesn't like me. And normally I don't really care if anyone doesn't like me, but here it's a teacher. So yeah, it makes me feel a little weird. So I'm choosing to let go of. And I am absolutely interested in, I would love to take a kundalini teacher training so I can myself teach kundalini, but she's the only one who's teaching kundalini here, like for teachers. I'm sorry. In the area, so it's like I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm really interested in all of that, and I want to make like kundalini not mainstream, but more, I don't know, more popular maybe. That would be good. And not in the way that many people teach, but that's, you know, that's between me and whoever I maybe teach in the future. So I'm sorry you can't see what I'm doing. Wait, let me adjust a little bit so you can see. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm a little sad because I'm letting go of my teacher, and she's a very sweet little woman. But I don't feel like there's this not weird, but you know, like I don't feel like there's the connection that I usually have with my teachers. Even like regular yoga teachers, or I don't know, like I don't have a connection with her at all, and it makes me feel a little sad. So I am letting go of her practices, and I think because her last day is December 20th, but that day I can't come anyways because I'm going away that day. And so yeah, this month is going to be my last days with her, and yeah, there's something like bittersweet about it too. But you know, it cost me money. It doesn't make me like super, you know, I'm happy to get away more or less a few hours a week from my life, but I'm not saying she's a bad teacher, because she's absolutely not a bad teacher. She's a good teacher, but I believe that everyone has their own needs when it comes to spiritual hygiene, as one might call it, and sometimes it doesn't resonate with you, and this is what is happening with me, and yeah, it's not resonating with me at all. Yeah, she's the sweetest little woman on earth and everything. If you're watching this, I love you, but I'm sorry, we did not have a connection, and I feel also, the thing is, I'm the youngest there, which is fine. It's totally fine that I'm the youngest there, but I feel very, also another factor to it is I'm not native to this country. I'm in Denmark right now, and my Danish is not perfect, absolutely not, but I speak like Scandinavian. I speak Norwegian with like a Danish accent if you want, and I don't know, I feel a little like put apart because they don't want to, the women there don't really want to talk to me. I've tried to like engage in conversations and stuff, but they look like they're only with themselves, and I hear them sometimes talk about like having plans together, like, oh, see you tomorrow at 9, see you, like they're friends and everything, and I just feel very mis à part, if you want, in French, because so yeah, that's the ending of that, and I want to focus a lot more on my own, like, kundalini from my own knowledge to myself, and I will, you know, practice kundalini online. Look how cute! This is for protection. Wait, is it big enough? Yes, I have small wrists. A little more. Yeah. It feels sad to shed a part of myself away, but I think that is growth, and, you know, if it doesn't resonate with me, I'm not gonna stay there, you know? That is something that you can use in many parts of your own life, you know? If it doesn't resonate with you, don't stay there. Change. And eventually it will get better. So, yeah. I'm gonna quit, which is sad. But yeah, also it costs money, and yeah, there's that. Okay, I'm gonna put this through here. Voilà. And voila! Okay, well, that was short. Maybe I'll make more, and I mean, if you want to see more videos of me making bracelets, mantra bracelets, please let me know so I know that you want to see it. And also, I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's December, it's gorgeous outside, at least here. There's a lot of snow and stuff, and my cat is happy, and I am happy, and I'm seeing my family, and I love December, and I love my cat so much. She is 6 months old. She's a little kitty cat. She's orange. I couldn't love her more. She's perfect in my opinion. She knows how to put lights on, so that's actually funny. I'm having problems with this. Did I do it? Yeah, I did. Good, good, good. Voila. Yeah. So yeah, I'm quitting Kundalini Yoga here. I will be practicing Kundalini Yoga on my own, as I've done before I started there, since there are no other places to go, and I don't feel the connection, which is important to me. So there's that. But now I also have a protection bracelet. Voila! I love it. Hello? It's a little big, but I love it. Look. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. That's freaky when I do this. Anyways, I love it so much. I'm going to wear it. I'm just going to cut it. Where's the scissors? I had them here like 2 seconds ago. Oh, they're here. Okay. Voila. And now I can feel protected. It's a little big, that's the only issue, but it's okay. I am going to put some transparent nail polish on it to seal the nylon string, and I like it. I love it a lot. Okay, well, that's good. Okay, thank you so much for joining me into this video, and if you make any like mantra bracelets, please share with me. I am quite interested, and I will see you pretty soon. I love you all so much. Ad gude name. What did I say? Anyways, I love you all so much. Have a wonderful day.